Assalamu alaikum everyone. By the name with Kingdom Plantae, Chapter 9 MCQs. Each question has 4 possible answers. Choose the correct answer and encircle it. Gametophyte in bryophyte is haploid. Polytrichum is a moss. Which one of the following group is not placed in Kingdom Plantae in latest classification system Algae? One of the oldest fossil plant is Xylotum. At the tips of the branches of Xylopsida are produced the sporangia. Which of the following give rise to protonema on its germination? Spores. Which of the following is not found in any member of Bryophyta? Unicellular sex organ. The first division of zygotic nucleus at the time of its germination in Bryophyte is mitotic. What is similar between bryophytes and Xylopsida? Autotrophic nutrition. Which of the following plant is example of fast leafy liverwort Sporella? The number of species included in the class Hepaticea of Bryophyceae in 900. The fern are mostly shade-loving plants, moisture-loving plant, both A and B. Shade-loving plants and moisture-loving plant. Short, thick and underground stem is found in adiantum. The process of evolution of leaf in plant was completed in more than 15 to 20 million years ago. Roots that arise from lower side of the rhizome are called fibrous adventitious root. The leaflets show dichotomous venation in the adiantum. Sori are produced by the bent margin of the leaflet forming false inducum. First complete seed appeared about 365 million years ago during late Devonian period. The single healthy megaspore retained with the megasporangium germinate to form an egg containing female gametophyte called a ovule. The megasporangium after fertilization is transferred into a seed on integument becomes the seed coat. In angiosperm, male gametes are formed in the pollen tube. Arabic gum is obtained from Acacia nitrolotica and Acacia senegal, both A and B. Rose family consists of about 100 genera and 2,000 species. Vicia, Milotus and Trifolium are cultivated in fodder crops. Oil extracted from the seed of Cyanometrica cauliflora is used for skin diseases. The acidic fruit of Tremendous indica rich in tartaric acid. The bark of Bauhinia is used in tanning. The wood of Albizia labic is used in cabinet work, railway carriages, both A and B. Catha is obtained from Equacia cachua. Certain grass yield aromatic oils. Example, Symphogan citratus. Family Poaceae has characteristics inflorescent called spikelets. All bryophyte mosses, liverworts and hornworts share certain characteristics. These are reproductive cell in protective chamber and waxy cuticle. A heterosporous plant in one that produce microspore and megaspore in separate sporangia give rise to separate male and female gametophyte. The male gametophyte of angiosperm is germinated pollen grain. Important terrestrial adaptation that evolved exclusively in seed plants include all of the following except transport of water through vascular tissues. Which group of plant exhibit maximum diversity? Angiosperm. Out of 360,000 known species of plants, how many belongs to RMS? 235,000. The angiosperm, the ovary mature into which of the following structure after fertilization? Fruit. A flower consists of which of the following? Pedicel, thalamus, floral leaf, all these. Pedicel, thalamus, floral leaf, all these. Which of the following are regarded as non-essential part of the flower? Sepal and petals. After pollination, the pollen are transferred to which of the following part of the flower? Stigma. Which of the following comprises of synergid egg cells and antipodal cells and polar nuclei? Embryo sac. Double fertilization is characteristics of which of the following? Angiosperm. Which structure in the life cycle of angiosperm is traploid endosperm?